Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing and testing this Common PIK1 stove and connecting it to the Gas Mate Butane KERNESTAR. So this is the PIK1. It's got some instructions here. Now, highly recommend that you do this in an outdoor environment, especially if it's releasing some of the butane gas. Let me open up this Common PIK1. So this is meant to be a stove. So if you go camping, it's very useful to have if you're looking at boiling water, cooking. This is the little stove that you can use, very portable. It's got this little tag, so yes, it's got this danger. So always make sure that you're always safe. Have adult supervision as well. Make sure you have all these safety features on. So like this little red protector at the top here for the butane gas. Just going to remove this little chain, don't really need it. Okay, here we go. So it looks like you just need to twist and push. You can hear a little bit of the gas coming out, and that's fine. You just got to be really quick. That's why it's recommended you do this in an outdoor environment. So it's got the knob on the side. You can turn it clockwise and anti-clockwise to turn it on. Just make this really tight. Okay, there you go. It's completely tight. It's got the knob on the side to change how much gas comes out of the canister. I'm just going to use a lighter here. So turn it clockwise. Here we go, turning it on. If you're turning it down, it releases the gas. Turn it down more. Okay, so you can see the here. So, yep. So turning it down releases more gas, and turning it up shuts off the gas. So coming down, so you can see here. So that's almost at its highest. And then you just make sure it's tightly closed. Now it does have these little arms where you can put it rest. Just say your pots, your kettles. There you go. It's nice and warm, so just make sure that you do, if you're using it, don't touch it.